So last weekend, I almost locked my keys in my car.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah, it freaked me out.
Why don't you have PJ make you a spare?
Well, PJ's not here today.
Oh, well, I think I know just who to call.
So who'd you call?
It's Julio!
It's the new guy, the one that's confident, attractive, and the best at everything.
And you know he can bench 215. Oh yeah.
Physically fit, seasoned storyteller, charming, undeniable.
So Kylie, you need your key programmed?
I do.
All right, let's go and get to it. Well, I'm gonna leave you guys to it. I gotta go get some work done, so good luck.
Are you sure you could do this?
Yeah, I can do anything.
I guess we'll find out.
Julio! Program. Let me go to Toyota vehicle, and that is a 4Runner 2010. All right, Julio, you got this. You're a locksmith. This is what locksmiths do. We're gonna add a key. We're gonna remove the key. Insert the key and turn ignition on. Okay. Okay, turn ignition off and remove the key. New key. It says turn it off, but what if we just turn it on? Okay, so success. Add a key. We're gonna escape. We already did that part, so should be a success. And it is a success because I believed in myself and I followed the instructions. Now we got a new key. Kylie's gonna be very impressed with my locksmithing skills. Hopefully, so are you. Alrighty, got her done. Here's your spare and your original. It's all programmed up.
Awesome, thank you.
Of course.
What can't you do?
Not be irresistible. That's all I know. But yeah, so we got it all programmed up. The Autek was amazing, but couldn't have done it without me, that's for sure.
So great to have you part of the team.
Hey, call me back. I'll be back anytime to help out.
Hey guys, PJ's not here, so we decided to have a little bit of fun, and we want to introduce you to our new team member, Julio.
What's up, guys? If you are interested, the Autek is in the links below. It's a great machine. If I can do it, you can too.
Check it out. So last weekend, I almost locked my keys in my car.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah.
You should get, let's do that again. What do I say again? You should.
Do you not have a spare?
Do you not?
Oh, question me, please.
Yeah.
Do you know a spare?
Oh, you don't have a spare?
Nope, I'm not good enough for a spare. What do you, that wasn't part of the original script. Yeah, I'm poor.
Wait, what was I supposed to say though? All programmed up.
Awesome, thank you.
Of course.
What was I supposed to say?
What can't you do?
Oh yeah.
And then you say you're a little more excited.
Let's just do it?
Yeah, just say.
Okay. What can't you do?
Some outtakes. Oh yeah. Old Spice commercial.
Oh yeah, you got a little. I look.
Come on, make a joke.
I don't know any
Yeah, you
jokes.
honestly tell the
Okay,
joke.
here's a joke.
I'm not laughing.
Why the first plant to fall out of the tree?
I was born. I was an accident. I was an accident.
I got a joke. My life. That's what you should have said.
Okay, I don't know. Like, how do we tell that they're laughing?
Come on, Julio. What was that? What was it?